Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you secure your Facebook account from hackers. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, doesn't matter, it works for both platforms. Go ahead and search for Facebook and make sure it is updated, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything works properly in the process. Now let's open Facebook. Of course, you have to be logged into your account, and then let's go to the menu by tapping the three lines in the top right or bottom right of your screen, it depends. Now from here you can go to settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner, or you can tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings from here, just like that. In settings we need to go to account center, tap on account center in the top. And now from here we need to go ahead and open password and security. It should be at the very top. Again, here let's go ahead and change the password first. So basically the first thing you need to do towards better account security, choose your account. From here tap on current password. Of course, type in your current password and then tap on the new one. Go ahead and type in your new password and then retype it again. If you suspect that someone has access to your account, tap on log out of other devices and then tap on change in the bottom once you confirm everything is right. Now from here, another feature that is very crucial is the two-factor authentication feature. Basically what this does is whenever you or anyone else in any other device tries to log into your account, a code will be sent to your number. Without that code, they will not be able to log in. Even you, without that code, once you turn this feature on, you won't be able to log in without it, which makes your account very secure. You can tap on saved logins right here again to see if you find any device that you don't recognize, or any basically activity log, if it's right to say, about your logging in your Facebook account. You can also tap on where you're logged in. Tap on your account here. You find every place where your account is logged in. If you don't recognize a device from here, tap on select devices in the bottom, select the ones that you want to delete and then remove them. That of course makes your account more secure. Here you have more options you can check to ensure better account security, but the crucial ones are the ones we went through in this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.